Here we go. 2 Motorola phone cameras. Test. Too bad I don't have another tripod. Actually, I do. It's in the closet. Oh, it doesn't have anything to connect the phone to. It doesn't have a mount like this. Too bad I don't have the other one. It had an unfortunate death. I'll play that clip right now. Anyway, yeah, here's the room, and this camera sucks compared to this one. You can tell. See how bright it is? Still need to clean the speaker grills here. And there's some white scuffs right there. Not scuffs, paint transfer. There's a scratch right there. And yeah, it's been a good set. Camera reception. Took the back off here because it muffles the sound. So there's that. Yeah, I wonder if I could edit this. End of video.